Welcome to Tech Checker. I have been sent this Aroma diffuser. I've had a couple of diffusers in the past and they're very nice. This looks really good. It's got a 200 milliliter water capacity and it's 12 volts. Let's open it up. Let's see what it's like. Let's get this stuff out of the way. Take out this packet. And there's the power lead. It's quite nice. This one comes with its own little measuring cup. There's instructions. And then you've got your power. Right, let's have a quick look at the instructions. Lay the device down so you can see it. Just give you a quick measure. It stands at about 5.5 inches tall and it is about 4 inches wide. So I'm just going to quickly look through the manual. You've got a cup, you've got your power adapter, your lights, there's a switch on it there for your lights, and one for the diffuser. And the power port is at the bottom here. So it's got a nice little cutout there for your power. So let's plug it in. Just unplug this, unwind the power. Right, so and plug this in the bottom, like so. There is a line here what says the maximum, just so you know, and it's obviously got a little filler if you require it as well. So let's just pour a bit of water in here. Inside there you've got a cap. Stick that on the front like that. Clips in. Power it on. And the smoke is coming out. So now you can see that. I'll turn it at a bit of an angle. It is smoking. And the light's changing, which is very nice. There is smoke coming out of there. It's obviously not going to show up very well on the camera. I'll try and do it so you can see it. There you see that. There's quite a lot coming out. The colour is really nice where it's changing colours. It's a nice soft relaxing colour. You can obviously change it between the different colours. Just nice. It's got a nice pink, blue, light blue, white. That's really pumping out some stuff now. I don't know whether you can see that. Just here. I'll turn it off. You have just a light on if you want. So let me just take the water out so you can see the lights better. So it's obviously got these LEDs at the bottom. Put this lid on. and it changes colour. So you got your light here and you got your power here. And it's quite relaxing to watch the light. The finish is nice. It's like a bamboo wood style. So it'll fit in an office, in a spa, in a gym, pet areas. It's going to be good for pet areas if you've got a smelly dog like I have. Bedrooms as well at night. If you get some oil, you can put some essences in there, some oil essences. We've got some cherry and vanilla which smell really nice. And obviously you've got the relaxing light. So the link is in the description if you're watching on YouTube. If on Amazon, you can see what the unit looks like. It's very well made. It's nice thick plastic. Doesn't look plastic. The wood looks quite nice, and you can tell it's not real wood, but it looks from a distance like wood. I'm definitely going to keep this for my front room. It's going to look nice as an accent light with a diffuser going with some nice oils in it. So there you go. I hope they helped you. So don't forget, you get the included pot with it, power supply, it glows, and it's aromatherapy and a diffuser as well.